Hello guys and welcome to today's trade recap. As you guys can see in front of your eyes, I did took a trade today on USD GPY and it has been a winner trade. Also there's another trade that I didn't took, but it was also a winner trade. The reason behind where I didn't took this trade and I did took the other trade, you're going to see that later in the video. So before we start, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe till we hit a good number of viewers. I'm upgrading the content and I'm more focused now on YouTube and the content creation. So yeah, also another thing I want to mention and I want to show you guys, if you watched the video of I will never be the same again, I guess, of 2026, of my plans and shit, I have talked about, I'm working on creating a brand, and I have successfully finishing the prototype, the first product, and this is it in front of your eyes. Look at it, guys. Sick, right? My brand's name is Aura, not the AURA. It's ORA, which means in Italian now. This is the money inside of this is printing money. I mean, not printing money the illegal way, but it's obviously fake. We made a $10,000 band on this, and the paper inside is a very how to say it, very luxury printing. It's not the regular printing of a regular paper. Also, it has some cool design. It's a 3D. As you can see, it's 3 dimensions, not like 2D like the regular one, and has a unique shape. It's very unique to have in your and also it has some motivational phrases like trust the process. I mean, I'm very sorry guys, it's not international product and it's not a international brand, but it's here in my place. If you're Tunisian, you can sign up, bro. You're welcome. Just go, I don't know, I may put the link down below in the description of the website. Once again, it's not international, sorry, it's only in Tunisia right now. And yeah, this is it. Tell me guys your opinion in the comment section. So now let's go straight into today's video. Okay, let me minimize this. All right, so today's trade is in USD GPY at New York session, and let me introduce you guys to the daily bias that I took the trade on. Wait, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's start with the 4-hour. The 4-hour is bullish. Okay, we are in a bullish uptrend. Same thing with our trading session. An Asian session, we came down, we made up these lows. London session, we took out these lows and we made up those lows. And then if we go to the hourly time frame, you guys can see those are the London session lows. Sure, we didn't took the Asian session lows, but we made a London session lows. We created within that a 1-hour fair value gap, 1-hour bullish fair value gap. And at the start of the New York session, as you guys know, I always trade New York session. So, and that's the reason why I didn't took the other trade on GPY, because it was not on New York session. So wait, what was that? Okay, at New York session open, we came down, we took out these lows of the London session lows, and we filled up this 1-hour fair value gap. 1-hour fair value gap, bullish fair value gap, yeah. So with that, I was looking for a break of structure to the upside within some sort of continuation confluences on the lower time frame. So I immediately scaled down to the 15-minute time frame, and as you can see, we had this 15-minute bearish fair value gap that I really wanted price to invalidate it, and as you can see right here, with this candle closes above it, we invalidated the trade immediately. So within that, I scaled down to the 5-minute time frame to look for a more continuation confluences for me to take the trade because it was not in a premium price. So with that, I waited for a retracement. I guess it was in the 1 minute, I guess, not on the 5 minute. I was looking for the 5 minute though, but I didn't found anything. So I was just finding a 5 minute retracement, maybe a retracement of a candle. I was initially looking for the fair value gap on the 5 minute to get filled, but price action was a little bit choppy. But I really wanted to enter the trade because some minutes later, I guess, how much time? Like in 30 minutes we have some news came in. So I have to mention something, guys. Trading in news is not always forbidden. Not forbidden in a way like it's illegal or something. No, in my trading rules, because news actually gives volume to the market to push it to its own direction. It's not like, come on, if you see a bullish, sometimes you're gonna see a bullish news and then the market goes down. Why? Because the news gives the market the volume to give it the push to be to give it speed to go to its original direction, to take some liquidity out of the market. So right here we have, all right, let me first explain when I took the trade. So wait, let me go back to the 5 minutes to see. Right here we invalidated the fair value gap. Then we had this 5 minute candle to the downside, and once I saw that candle to the downside, let me go back to the 1 minute now. Where is it? I think this is the 5 minute retracement. Yeah, and after that I just waited for a break of structure to the upside on the 1 minute, which has happened literally after creating this structure and then breaking up to the upside right here. And then boom, I entered the trade. I got filled right here. So whatever, I'm just gonna mark it right here. Where's my stop loss and my TP? My take profit is initially at these highs. I think there's a 1 hour highs right here, and my stop loss is below this fair value gap, and exactly, wait, at these lows, at these 15-minute lows, or these 1 hour lows, or these, I don't know what to call it, but this initial low, because if price goes anywhere low below this low, it's more likely going to keep going down to initially take out these lows, these lows, these lows, and these lows. And since we are in a bullish market and we have these highs, didn't get swept, these highs, and also these highs, and these higher time frame liquidity to the upside, I just found it out like more likely price is going to keep continuing higher than continuing lower. But I set my stop loss and I'm in. The next thing is that, what else? Yeah, that's it. I entered the trade and I just left the trade. And see, when news came in, price came down, filled up this 15-minute bullish fair value gap that got created when I entered the trade, and then we saw an immediately candle to the upside, leaving out a performance on the market to continue the volume to go up. That's where I just walked out of the charts. Before that, the trade I was talking about is this trade of GPY that I didn't I didn't enter it in the first place. It's not trade that I didn't even took it. Okay, I'm just saying that my analysis just played out. And let me explain. In the 4 hour, we are in a bearish structure. We are in a bearish move. On the 1 hour, we are also in a bearish move. We have created this 1 hour fair value gap. That price literally went up and also took out these highs, these hourly highs, filled up this fair value gap, and then I went to the 15-minute time frame. And then I was looking for a 15-minute break of structure. I didn't see it. Then I went to the 5-minute break of structure. Wait, went to the 5-minute break of structure. We have it right here, and we also invalidated this 5-minute fair value gap. And with that, I was looking for a initial entry. I didn't see it any, but then there's this structure right here to confirm us that market is going to keep going down. And once we broke below it, I just wanted to see a reaction to the upside and maybe a retracement to the upside to take the trade, and then I saw this candle to the upside filling up this gap, and that's where my entry should be. But I'm not going to enter a trade unless I'm in New York session. That's my new rule that I set for this year and before it, even before it, because I never I don't trade London session anymore or even Asian session. I'm just gonna be trading New York session, and that's what you guys should do. Not specifically trading New York session, but only like picking one session to trade and then just trade it for the rest. Okay, and I just take those two pairs and I only trade them. So if I don't see a setup on GBP GPY, I go on USD GPY. If I don't see a setup on USD GPY, I go on to GBP GPY, and I never take two trades in one day. That's my rules, and I respect my rules every time I trade, and I'm very disciplined about it, and I'm very strict about it. So that's you guys, that's a point you guys need to put in your mind. And yeah, that's it. Today's was a little bit chill, not much stress, because I found my trade. Literally, I didn't want to do not enter it because of news. I just found out that my trade makes sense for market to keep going higher. I'm just putting myself right here, my risk limited. I respected my risk management plan. If I lose the trade, I just lose 1%, so it's not a big deal for me. That's my strategy in the first place. So yeah, it was worth it to take the risk. Even if price wanted to keep going down and take out those lows, I'm only risking 1%. So that's it. That's trading. It's only risking to get reward, and that's what risk to reward is about. And this trade also gave me 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, and that's very pretty good. Other thing I want to mention really quick is that crypto is actually making some good news, which has happened in the. And this move, actually, I wanted it to happen. Why? Because we are breaking above this. How to say it? I forgot the pattern name, but we are like pushing out of this range that we had been in literally 2 months or 3 months. So now we just pushed above it, and now we are retracing. So I think I'm going to be adding more funds into my crypto wallet. And yeah, that's it. I literally see more good news going to the market right now, and especially the crypto market. And yeah, and we are so chill about the forex market. We are seeing good price action so far in 2026, and I really hope that price is going to continue making us good profits in the market. So yeah, that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, boys. I love and appreciate anyone.